A geometric sequence is a sequence which is continued by multiplying by a common ratio, a common number. So if I gave you the sequence 2, 6, 18, 54, and I want to know what the next number is in this sequence, what I'm looking for is how am I getting to each number in this pattern? So if I look from here to here, I'm multiplying by 3. Does that work for the next set of numbers? Well, 6 times 3 gives me 18. 18 times 3 gives me 54. So if I take 54 and I multiply it by 3, that should go ahead and give me my next number in the sequence, which would be 162, and this completes my sequence. So that's how we work on that type of a pattern. Let's look at one like this. What happens if I start with large numbers and I'm working my way to smaller numbers? I want to complete this pattern. Well, I'm not really technically multiplying. I'm dividing by 2. But we can also say that I'm really taking half, right? Dividing by 2 is the same as multiplying by half. So if I take half of 4, I get 2. Half of 2 would give me 1. And then half of 1 would then give me a half. I will now have completed that sequence with a multiple of 1/2 on the bottom. So for a geometric sequence, we're looking for what are we multiplying by in order to get the next numbers in this pattern.